Hazrat Yusuf, Joseph, a prophet in Islamic tradition, has a connection with Palestine through his lineage as the son of Hazrat Yaqoob, who lived in Palestine. The Quranic chapter Surah Yusuf details his life story, including his time in Egypt and eventual rise to power there. According to traditions and the narratives, Hazrat Yusuf, Joseph, was born in Canaan, which is believed to be in present-day Palestine. Canaan was the ancient region encompassing the land of Palestine and parts of modern-day Israel, Jordan, and Lebanon. It is important to note that the specific location of Hazrat Yusuf's birth within Canaan is not mentioned in the religious texts. After many years, Hazrat Yusuf was reunited with his family, including his father Hazrat Yaqoob, who traveled from Palestine to Egypt. This reunion is a significant event that highlights the connection between Hazrat Yusuf and Palestine. The burial site of Hazrat Yusuf is a matter of historical and religious significance with varying accounts. According to some traditions, after his death, there was a strong dispute over his place of burial. People of each neighborhood started insisting on burial in their own neighborhood to get blessings. Finally, it was agreed that you should be buried in the middle of the Nile River so that the water of the river would touch your grave. And all the people of Egypt continue to be blessed with your blessings. So you were placed in a marble box and buried in the middle of the Nile River. Even after 400 years, Hazrat Musa, peace be upon him, took out his noble coffin from the river and buried it somewhere that is still unknown. In some traditions it is believed that Hazrat Yusuf's burial site is in the city of Al-Khalil, Hebron, next to the Ibrahimi Masjid, within a medieval structure known as Yusuf Kala, Castle of Yusuf. This further solidifies his connection to Palestine, as he is considered to be buried in this historically and religiously significant region. However, according to some tradition, the burial place of Hazrat Yusuf, Joseph, is believed to be in Nablus, which is located in the West Bank region of Palestine. The tomb of Joseph, also known as Qabr Yusuf, but it also said that it is a burial place of some other man named Yusuf. Here's what we can say with more certainty. The Quran doesn't mention the specific burial site of Hazrat Yusuf. The traditions about his burial likely arose centuries after his death, making verification difficult. What's most important? Hazrat Yusuf's story and the lessons it conveys hold greater importance than the exact location of his burial.